What's up, Dusty Crew? Some of you may recognize this dirty heap of metal as the Dust Buggy's old 2332cc motor. This baby brought us through countless adventures over the last 5 years, and we couldn't be more thankful for its service. We knew it was about time to retire her after last year's Empi open house, where we dynoed her and she had a considerable amount of blow-by. So we decided to have Mo over at West Coast Core in Rosemont, California, build us a new 2276cc engine to freshen things up a bit. So now's the big moment when we get to see how much horsepower we actually have now. Alright, you guys, we're going to the Empi open house today, and we are excited because we are going to be dynoing the Dust Buggy today with our new 2276. You saw the 2332 at the end of her usable life with all that blow-by. We got 87 horsepower. So we're hoping that this fresh 2276 can put out maybe a little bit more. Oh, by the way, we added a can of octane booster. And by the time we got there, of course, there was already a line forming of some really cool Volkswagens. I managed to catch a few on the way in, and I could tell it was gonna be a pretty good show. That's pretty cool. Things are really heating up.
Oh, look at the tire. The tire's fucked.
If he dynos and beats us on the dyno, that'd be pretty sad.
If he dynos it, he doesn't need to dyno it. Blake Wilkie even brought out his trophy bug, and I did some fun little size comparisons. Just look at that. Just look at me in here and how big it is comparatively. Look at this. This is my hand. It doesn't compare. It's like a jungle gym, man. That is awesome. This was another really cool thing that caught my eye. Check out what this single cab has in the back. Look at that. Little cherry bucket. Cherry picker. That is cool. And I don't even know what to call this thing, but it is frickin' cool. That is very unique. Oh, that's dope. Alrighty, that's going on the dyno first. Ooh, there we go. I was holding my breath at the end. hearing how much louder it was compared to the old motor, I'm like, oh yeah.
So what does it say?
112?
Yeah.
Woo!
Nice. Over 100. Good job.
Woo! 112.
What'd you make? 183.
183? Oh man, that's pretty nice.
Hasn't really lost anything.
So now we need a turbo. That ain't no naturally aspirated. Best view of the house. Holy shit. That'll be it for the Empi open house for 2022. So the Dust Buggy made 112 horsepower, and I honestly am super excited about that. And I'd like to give a very big thank you to Empi for putting this event on every year. It is always a good time and everyone really enjoys it. And as always, if you want to see the quickest updates from us, make sure to follow us on Instagram at dust_buggy.